Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling holding down the side button to call emergency services on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you are in an emergency, you can hold down on the side button of your watch to enable the siren and call the emergency services. Follow the steps to learn how to enable or disable this option. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down the settings and tap SOS. Tap hold side button. Tap the toggle to the right of hold side button to enable or disable the setting. When the toggle is green, hold side button to call emergency services is turned on, and when grey, it is disabled. When the setting is enabled and you hold down on the side button, it will first open the SOS screen. Keep holding down and the siren timer will start to count down. You can now slide the emergency phone icon to the right to call emergency services. If you don't want the siren to go off, you can call the emergency services from the SOS screen. When the screen comes up, let go of the side button, then slide the emergency SOS icon to the right. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.